So this is another plugin that is a delay plugin, and it works really good on drums. Now, you can use it on anything you want other than drums, and it'll have pretty good results no matter what. However, on drums, and when we set it through a return track with a compressor and a sidechain, it has really good results. So let's take a listen without it first. Okay, so let's run through some presets here and turn it on. So you can see you get some really cool effects without losing the actual integrity of the actual source sound itself when you do it in a sidechain method like this. And Soundtoys definitely has some good presets that they've already provided for you here. They can go through. There's a lot to choose from here, actually. And you can adjust these accordingly to suit it to your taste. But it's a pretty good effect. I like it for delays all the time. It works really good on vocals too. You should try it out. Thanks.